Different milk types and milk alternatives all require varying steam pressure, temperature, and texturing duration to create silky microfoam that is ideal for latte art. Alternative milks are harder to texture, as they can easily overheat compared with regular dairy milk. But thanks to the Barista Touch Impress's Auto MilQ function, alternative milk texturing has never been easier. The Auto MilQ function calibrates the pressure, temperature, and timing of your selected milk type to create the ideal texture. For example, almond and soy milks will require a lower temperature setting. So when selected, the machine will automatically adjust these settings to ensure it's textured correctly. Once the milk temperature is achieved, milk texturing will automatically stop, leaving you with silky, smooth, textured milk, ideal for latte art or simply a great tasting coffee.